Hey guys, we received these fit strong and healthy food prep containers for test and try. These are the small plastic food prep containers and small plastic containers with lids. So these are the I will say a lunch containers for kids or the bento boxes for adult, depends on your use. And they also have a small snack box and the meal prep containers with lids. So let's open this. So there is a good like three lunch boxes and four small containers. So the plastic quality looks good. These are also freezer safe, and you can also control your portions as you can see it here with these different boxes. These are the microwave safe and BPA free. So these are the solid built containers. As you can see it here with the vacuum seal top one. So there are the three bento boxes, two snack containers and two snack containers with a 6 ounce and two snack containers with a 17 ounce that I will show you. So these are the configurable and the removable compartments as you can see, and it's a sealed top pack so you can easily seal so it will not come or spill or anything. So these are the small snack boxes, 17 ounce one and the 6 ounce one. And as you can see, these are the same plastic material and with the same seal pack vacuum top. As I mentioned, they are the leak-proof containers with the airtight lids, and you can have your snack thing in here. So it's a good size boxes with the total good lid containers. So as I mentioned, there are total three lunch boxes with two snack containers of 17 ounce and two snack containers of small sizes, like the 6 ounce. So same thing with these other two snack boxes. And the cleaning, they are the dishwasher safe, so cleaning is pretty easy. You can also just clean the things. So this is a nice set of lunch boxes, can be used by anyone. Hope this is a useful video for you.